Hey, hi guys, and welcome to today's class, still on inclined plane. Today we have another problem on inclined plane. Like I always say, I always tend to solve more problems on a particular topic so that students will always understand how it is done. So that at least when you see a particular question, you will have an idea or an insight on how to go about it. That's why I always like to solve so many problems on a particular topic. I really want my students to be sharp brains, like my name really implies. Now we have this problem here. Say find the force parallel to the slope required to move a body of mass 2 kg up a slope inclined at 30 degrees to the horizontal with an acceleration of 2 meters per second. If the frictional force between the two surfaces is 10 Newton. It's actually an OBJ question. You have A, what will be the answer? Like A, 30 Newton, B, 14 Newton, C, 34 Newton, D, 24 Newton, E, 10 Newton. Now let's really see what the answer would be. So solution, like we usually do, divide the ball so that it will accommodate the problem to the solution rather. Now let's have a free body diagram like we usually do. With this, we will have an understanding of the statement of the problem. Now, let's say this is the slope inclined at 30 degrees. See the slope. Now we have the body as this. This is the force, located at F, force pushing it upwards. And we also have the normal force and the weight. This is the weight downward. This is also an indication of weight. And this is the angle it makes, cos theta, angle the weight makes. And this is the normal force acting upwards, keeping the body balanced on the slope. Now, this is also the weight tending to act downward. It's mg sine theta. This is angle 30 degrees. That is the angle with which or to which it is sloping. Now, what and what are we given? We have here given, we have the mass here to be 2 kg, 2 kilogram. We also have acceleration due to gravity to be 10 meter per second square. We have angle theta to be 30 degrees. We also have acceleration to be 2 meter per second square. Now, let's have that summation f of x is equals to ma. We have here the force minus the weight, right? Mg sine theta plus the frictional force 10 equals to the mass here being 2 kg times acceleration being 2. Now, we also have, having that, we now have the force minus the mass here is 2 times 10 sine 30 plus the frictional force, which is 10. Let me indicate it here. 10. Frictional force, which is 10 equals to the mass, which is 2, times acceleration, which is also 2. Now we have here, if you multiply 2 times 10 sine theta, to give you 10 plus 10. This equals to 2 times 2 will be 4. Therefore, you have force minus 20 equals to 4. Therefore, you have force equals to 4 plus 20. This 20 crossing over to the other side. Force here will be equals to 24 Newton. As simple as this. Meaning that in the option, it is option D that is the right answer. Thanks for watching, and watch out for more problem solutions in physics. Bye.